So we're going to look at Jeremiah 52, 12 through 14. Let me put my laser pointer up here. It hardly helps, but let's see if that works. Yeah. Okay, so now in the 5th month, on the 10th day of the month, Nebuchadnezzar the king of Babylon, they came in and destroyed and burnt down all of Jerusalem. And of course, the temple went with it. This happened about 586, 587 BCE. They broke down all the walls of Jerusalem all around. So remember, the 5th month, the 10th day. Let's go over here. This is the Zadok calendar. This is the 5th month, and the 10th day is over here. This is when they say the temple was destroyed, according to scripture. And it matches on the Zadok calendar. And I just want you to notice Av 9, the 9th of Av, that's a Shabbat, okay? And it's right before the 10th, okay? So I was looking over here, and this talks about the Mishnah. Now, I'm not rushing out to look at the Mishnah, but it is history. And it's about this event preserved by the Jewish authorities in the Mishnah. They note that the temple was destroyed on the 10th of Av, as the Sabbath of the 9th just concluded. That this occurred in the 5th Hebrew month. Now, we'll go back. So, the 5th month, the 10th day. And the Shabbat was right here. So what I'm going to do is, this is the only time I'm going to do this, but I got the calendar that maybe not we were on, but it's a new moon calendar. I got the 5th month, and I got the, we want to look at it and see if it matches. If we were to take our Bibles and read what we did and go look at the day and see what it would look like. And this is this month calendar. This is the 5th month. It's July, August, 2021. Their 10th of Av is on a Wednesday, and their 9th is on a Tuesday. So right away, this doesn't match at all. And I didn't expect it to match because I've been through this before. When we first came out of the church, people were talking about the biblical calendar. And I thought, maybe naively, I thought, oh, wow, I'll be able to take my Bible, look at that, and just do some timelines and see when things happen. It'll be really cool. Well, this is what happened. I remember I did it a long time ago, and I thought, you know what? How can I expect, an ancient calendar to match our Bibles? How could that happen? So, but I got to thinking about it, and our Gregorian calendar shifts one day a year. And so with the new moon, it shifts all over the place. It's worse than the Gregorian calendar. But we've been trained for that because the Gregorian calendar, it shifts one day every year. And so say you got married, maybe you got married on the 10th, but in a few years, you won't be celebrating on a Wednesday. You'll be over here on a Saturday because it shifts. And man's calendar does shift because that's what they do.